Welcome to O'Reilly Maths. This is the 2019 Junior Cert Higher Level Paper 1 and we're looking at question number 2. Part A says write down the 4 factors of 45 apart from 1 and 45. Okay, well factors are the numbers that multiply to give 45, so 1 times 45 is 45. If you know your times tables, 9 fives is also 45, so 9 and 5 are definitely two of the factors. And the other factors, one way you can check if the number 3, if you want to know is the number 3 a factor of any number, right? You can add the digits of the number itself. So see this number 45. If I add the digits of 45, which is 4 and 5, if I add them, the answer is 9. If you can divide this number by 3, which you can, 9 divided by 3 is 3, that means you can divide the original number itself by 3 as well. So 3 does go into 45. That trick only works for the number 3. And how many 3's are in 45? Well, 3 into 4 goes once, carry the 1. 3 into 15 is 5, so it's 15. 3 15s or 15 3's is 45. Part B, n is a whole number bigger than 1. It has just 2 factors, 1 and n. Put a tick in the correct box to show what name is given to this type of number. Tick one box only. Okay, well if n is a whole number bigger than 1 and it has 2 factors, 1 and n, in other words itself, well that's a prime number. Okay, that's the definition of a prime number. A composite number is any number that can be made, that has 2 factors less than itself. So for example, the number 14 can be found by multiplying 2 other integers smaller than 14, which would be 2 and 7, for example. A square number is a number where you multiply, it's the result of multiplying 2 integers by themselves. So examples would be 3 times 3 giving 9. 9 is a square number. Part C, P is a whole number. Apart from 1 and P, the only other factor that P has is 7. Work out the value of P. So you have 1, 7, and then the number P is also a factor. So 1, 7 and some number are the factors of this number P itself. Well, normally you see factors occur in pairs, as they do up here, 9 5's, 3 15's, and 1 by 45. So the only time you would get 3 factors is if one of the factors is repeated. So if this 7 here was actually repeated, in other words 1 by 7 was a pair and 7 by itself, if the middle number here, 7, was multiplied by itself, 7 7's, that would be 49, which means this factor here, 1 times this one, would also give 49, meaning P is 49. So, in other words, 49 can be found by multiplying 1 by 49 itself, and also by multiplying 7 by itself. So, factors occurring in pairs, we can see here, if one of the pairs is just the same number by itself, it looks like there is only 3 factors then. So the answer there is 49. Okay, and part D, write down the 4 factors of 12k plus 8 apart from 1 and 12k plus 8. 2 of the factors should be in terms of k. Okay, well if we're trying to find the factors of 12k plus 8, that means we're being asked to factorize 12k plus 8. So the one they've done is if you factorize 1 out of 12k, you get 12k. And if you factorize 1 out of 8, you get 8. So that's the one they've given. Well, what else can we factorize out of 12k and 8? So what's a common factor of 12k and 8? Well, 2 would be. So 2 into 12k goes 6k. 2 into 8 goes 4. So there's 2 of my factors there. 2 and 6k plus 4. Okay, well, what else can I factorize from 12k and 8? Well, the number 4 would go in also. 4 into 12k goes 3k. 4 into 8 goes 2 twice. So there's my other two factors, 4 and 3k plus 2. And I did say two of the factors should be in terms of k. That's this one and this one.